Santo Remedio Dr. Juan's Heartburn, 20 tablets. Product details. Get rapid relief from heartburn with Santo Remedio par Acidez Antacid Effervescent Tablets. Our formula uses two classic yet powerful forms of antacids for rapid relief, citric acid and baking soda, and includes aspirin to help relieve and prevent lingering heartburn pain. Due to these powerful aCountive ingredients, par Acidez relieves heartburn, acid indigestion, and sour stomach when accompanied by headache or body aches and pains. Upset stomach with headache from overindulgence in food or drink, and headache, body aches, and pain alone. This fast-aCounting medication is a staple in all household medicine cabinets and is always good to have on hand whenever the need arises. Alleviates heartburn, acid indigestion, sour stomach, headaches, body aches and pains. Classic original flavor effervescent tablets. Take 2 tablets every 4 hours while symptoms persist. Each package contains 20 tablets. Directions. Dosage: 2 tablets. Instructions: to avoid serious injury, completely dissolve tablets in 4 ounces of water before taking. Adults and children 12 years and over, up to 60 years of age, take 2 tablets every 4 hours. Do not exceed 8 tablets in 24 hours. Adults 60 years and over take 2 tablets every 4 hours. Do not exceed 4 tablets in 24 hours. Children under 12 years, consult a doctor before use.